Assalamu alaikum student. This is your next chapter of your English and the lesson name is Advise Customers. So children, this is the lesson about the advertisement you have seen in the television about various products we are seeing, and the ad which is coming on the television you have seen, and many posters you can see on the walls and different places. They are doing publicities of their products and all. So here in this chapter we will see that more about that information and advertisement, what is about and how they are publicizing their products, in which manner, or that product is good for health or no, like that. So pay attention. The chapter is advise customers. See, I will read one paragraph and I'll explain you, to pay attention. You must have seen ads, that is, advertisements on TV and in many other places. Advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products. Their aim is to make people buy those products. So, children, that's what I've told you now, that the owner of the products. For example, if I say that I am the owner of a cloth, okay, and I want to sell my cloth to the customer, but the customer don't know, the people don't know that I am selling the cloth. So how they will come to know? What should I do to to tell them that I am selling my products, and if it is good or no, they should buy or no. So there are many mediums which can I tell the people that yeah, I am selling the good clothes, the good products. You can buy it. The cloth material is very good. The color is very good. So like that, I can give the advertisement on the television. I can posters, pamphlets on the. I can distribute pamphlets about my products to the peoples. I can post all pictures on the walls in different places, like that. So the owner of the products give advertisement to tell the people that they're selling these products. Okay. Now next paragraph. Advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying the products. That is what the owners want. But is the advice, is the ad always good for you? You must think about it carefully. So children, the owner will show its product, their products, it's very good, in a good manner, so that people go and should buy it. You know, if the product is bad, if it is product is bad, then to the owner will show that it's very good. For example, chips, the fast food which we are eating, buying from the outside road, the chips packets and all, which you get it from 5 to 10 rupees. It is, you know that it is very bad for your health, but the, in the television this shows in such a manner way that you go and buy it and you eat it. They show you, tell you that it's a very good for health. You can buy and you can eat it. It maintain your health, but the promises are all false. As we know that chips, it's made of very dirty oil, and they are mixing all artificial masalas in that, so that is very harmful for your health. But the products which they're showing in their television, that is very good manner, so you can go and buy it and eat it. So we should first think whether they are telling about the products is right or wrong. Then only we can think and we can go and buy it. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy, and what not to buy. You should think before buy, you should think it, that we should buy or no, and how much you buy or no. For example, if a owner want to sell his television, so there are many televisions in our India, but some are good products and some are bad products. So you should think it. Okay. Now next chapter you should move. Next page, sorry. Okay. Now, we see many types of chips, wafers, and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. These snacks are usually fried food that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are good to taste, but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. Growing children need a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruit, nuts, milk, etc. for children. We see many types of chips, wafers, or snacks in the market. As I told you before that they are showing the products are very good chips they are selling in the market. But as we know that we should, if we eat regularly, that chips will get, it's not good for our health. You can get stomach ache or food poison. Because growing children need balanced diet to eat like pulses, cereals, fresh fruit, vegetables, and all. If you eat all the time that wafers, chips, chocolates, you will definitely fall ill. Now we move to next. Now here is the product is about, see, here is the advertisement about the fairness cream. So these are pictures which shows about their products. What the ads say. Now here are some conversations about the people. We'll see. Look at this, my new dress for the party. Where's yours? No party for me. What Didi is telling? No party for me. Bitya Rani, tap tap tap. My new shoes for the party. Where are yours? No party for me. Again, I see that girl is telling, no party is for me. Bitya Rani, ting ting ting. Choose new bangles for the party. Again, she is telling, no party for me. What's the matter? Why are you sad? My skin is so, what that girl is telling? My skin is so dark, I feel so bad. No party for me. Is that all? Don't worry, my mother is telling. Is that all? Don't worry. Solve your problem with Hemagol. So children, here is showing about the product of Hemagol, the name of a fairness cream. So the girl's skin is dark in color, so she is feeling shy to go out and enjoy the party. So she shared her mother that she will not go because her skin is very dark. She wants to become fair to look beautiful. So then mother is telling to her that take this fairness cream, apply it on your face and you will become fair. Now you see 5 days to fairness. Now 5 days is went. So now applying that cream, Fair Hema Gauri, she become fair. See her. So children, do you think it is possible to change your skin tone within a 5 days? No, not at all. What your skin colors you are having, it will remain same from childhood to when you become, when you grow up. The colors tone will change, but a little slight when you grow up. It's not a, if it is change also, if it is about it, you are applying your fairness cream and all. It's all fake. The talk of fake promises the products owners are doing, telling us, because not a cream or any soap or any face wash clear your skin tone. It will remain same. Yes, it will definitely show some glowness, but that is also for a time being. So you should not go for that false promises and you go buy that very expensive products and all. It's all worthless. So this cream that owners are telling that if you apply this cream in a 5 days you become a fair. So it's all a fake promises. We move next. Who says black is not beautiful? The color of your skin has nothing to do with your beauty. It's more important to be healthy, neat and tidy if you want people to like your looks. Children, many girls and boys think that if they're having dark color, they not look beautiful. It's all rubbish. Even dark colors look beautiful. The main thing is you should feel happy, healthy, neat and tidy. So you should take care of your skin, not to become fair, but to your skin look healthy. And how will it become? By applying fairness cream? No, not at all. By eating good food, vegetables, drinking milk, taking good nutritious food, that will increase your skin tone to improve into become to fairness, and your skin will glow if you drink lots of water. If you want to make your skin fair and glow, you have to drink lots of water in a day. You have to eat many green vegetables. You have to cut down all oily foods, fried food and fast food also. Then only, and you have to sleep. You have to sleep enough. You have to sleep enough time. So it will that these three things if you do, your skin will become healthy and glowing and fair. And that is, I'm telling your teacher. So you should follow the teacher's rule. And I'm telling all girls and boys also, don't go for any fairness cream and all. It's all rubbish. If you want to become fair and healthy skin, you should drink lots of water, eat healthy foods, and sleep enough time. Now, you should eat well, exercise well, sleep well, and drink enough water. See, here also they are telling to get healthy, glowing skin. Never feel bad about the color of your skin on your natural look. Be careful when you try fairness cream; they may have side effects. So don't feel shy about your color. Whatever Allah Subhanahu wa Taala gave you a color, that is very beautiful. Proud to be yourself. That yes, I look very beautiful in this skin tone also. And if you want to buy a fairness cream or apply on your face, you can, but be careful because many creams also having side effect which ruin your face. So children, this is end of this chapter. I hope you understood well and I explained well. So in next videos, I'll definitely give you the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.